Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy paid themes that fits for your business. So it's gonna be very easy. So you can go to your Shopify dashboard and then go to your online store here and then go to themes. And then in this page, you can scroll down until you find visit theme store here. You can click it and it will brings you to the theme store. And then as you can see, there are two options, the free one and then also the paid one. And in this case, we're gonna buy a paid themes because actually it's better and there are more features that maybe we need. And the left side, you can choose the industry. Let's say I want to choose beauty here, and there are a lot of them. And also you can choose the catalog size because maybe there are some uh, website that need only one product catalog, so yeah, you can choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to choose one product here because I will just sell one product for my website. And also there are some features you can choose. Maybe you need age verifier, or you need to European translation. Maybe your customers, uh, most of them from the Europe, and you need to translation for their languages. And other option you can choose whatever you want. So let's say that's it what I need. And then you can choose the theme here, and you can see their satisfaction. There are 100% like, so let's say I will choose this one. Then also they are cheaper. You can click it, and then this is the theme details. You can read it, and I will see the demo here, view demo. So we are gonna see the details of the website. So let's see, this is the front page. There are a pop-up also. You can scroll down, and let's say this is good for your product. So maybe you can just try theme here. So it will brings you to the your Shopify store, but with this theme. So you can check actually if it's good for your Shopify store or not. So as you can see, it's successfully added to my Shopify store, and this is the theme. I will just click this one and click preview to see what it's look like on my Shopify store. So this is the theme, and there are some catalog here. And let's say this is good for me and I want to buy it. I will just go back to here and then click buy here, and then it will brings you to the page that you have to fill your information, card information, something like that, and then you can just click buy theme. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.